Chamomile tea is a popular herbal tea known for its soothing properties. It is made from the dried flowers of the chamomile plant and has a light floral taste. Chamomile tea has been used for centuries for its calming effects and is believed to have various health benefits. If you want to know how to prepare chamomile tea at home, watch this video until the end. To make chamomile tea at home, you will need these ingredients: chamomile tea bags or dried chamomile flowers, water, honey or lemon.
Equipment: teapot or saucepan with a lid, tea strainer or infuser, mug or teacup.
Step-by-step guide to making chamomile tea. Step 1. Boil water. The first step in making chamomile tea is to boil water. Use a small pot or kettle to heat 1 cup of water to boiling point. Step 2. Add dried chamomile flowers. Once the water has reached boiling point, turn off the heat and let it cool for 1-2 minutes. Then place 1 chamomile tea bag or 1 tablespoon of dried chamomile flowers in a teapot or mug. Step 3. Pour boiling water. Pour the hot water over the tea bag or flowers in the teapot or mug. Make sure that the tea is fully submerged in the water for proper steeping. Step 4. Steep the tea. Cover the teapot or mug with a lid or plate and let the tea steep for 3 to 5 minutes. The longer you steep the tea, the stronger the flavor will be. If you prefer a weaker tea, you can steep it for less time. Step 5. Remove the tea bag or strain the tea. After 3 to 5 minutes of steeping, remove the tea bag or strain the tea if you used loose flowers. If you use a tea bag, gently squeeze it to extract any remaining liquid. Step 6. Add honey or lemon. If desired, add honey or lemon to the tea for added flavor. Chamomile tea has a naturally sweet taste, but adding honey can enhance the flavor even more. Lemon can also add a refreshing citrus taste to the tea. Then pour the chamomile tea into a cup and enjoy your hot and soothing beverage. You can drink chamomile tea anytime, but it's particularly beneficial before bedtime to help promote relaxation and sleep. How to make cold brew chamomile tea. You can make chamomile iced tea by cold brewing if you prefer cold tea. Here's how. Step 1. Add dried chamomile flowers. Place 1 chamomile tea bag or 1 tablespoon of dried chamomile flowers in a teapot or pitcher. Step 2. Add water. Add 4 cups of cold water to the pitcher and stir to submerge the tea. Step 3. Let it steep. Cover the pitcher with a lid or plastic wrap and let the tea steep in the refrigerator for at least 4 hours or overnight. Step 4. Remove the tea bag or strain the tea. After the tea has steeped, remove the tea bag or strain the tea if you use loose flowers. Step 5. Add honey or lemon. If desired, add honey or lemon to the tea for added flavor. Step 6. Add ice. Add ice cubes to the pitcher to make the tea cold and refreshing. Then pour the cold chamomile tea into a glass and enjoy your delicious and refreshing beverage. Tips for making the perfect cup of chamomile tea. Use high-quality chamomile flowers for the best flavor and health benefits. Look for flowers that are bright, fragrant, and free from debris. Steep the chamomile flowers for 5 to 10 minutes. This will give the tea enough time to extract the flavor and medicinal properties of the flowers without becoming too bitter or overpowering. Use fresh water for the best flavor. Water sitting in a kettle or pot for too long can become stale and affect the taste of the tea. Store chamomile flowers in an airtight container in a cool, dry place. This will help preserve their flavor and quality for longer. Health benefits of chamomile tea. In addition to its calming properties, chamomile tea is believed to have a variety of health benefits. Here are just a few. Promotes relaxation and reduces stress. Chamomile contains compounds that help to promote relaxation and reduce stress. Drinking chamomile tea before bed may help improve sleep quality and reduce insomnia. Soothes digestive issues. Chamomile has anti-inflammatory and antispasmodic properties that can help soothe digestive problems like bloating, gas, and indigestion. Boosts immune system. Chamomile is rich in antioxidants that help to boost the immune system and protect against disease. Reduces inflammation. Chamomile has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation throughout the body, including in the joints and muscles. Promotes skin health. Drinking chamomile tea may help improve skin conditions like acne, eczema, and psoriasis.